To the most amazing, gorgeous, loving and caring person in the world, how lucky I am today and for the rest of my life to call you my wife and my calendar planner. I fell in love with you 11 years ago, and since then my love has only grown stronger. Eloise, you truly are my best friend and the person who brings out the very best version of me. It's difficult to condense everything you've done for me over the last decade, but you know how grateful I am to be your husband. You've been my biggest supporter, my voice of reason, and the person who manages to make every day better by being in it. You make me laugh when I need it the most, you ground me when I lose my way, and you've shown me what real love and partnership looks like. I honestly wouldn't be the person I am today without you. And I'll spend the rest of my life trying to make you as happy as you've made me. Someone once asked me, but you've only ever been with one person, how do you know what love is? And the truth is, we aren't the same people we were 11 years ago. We've changed and evolved, but we've always grown together. But I have and will always love every version of you, and that's exactly why we're here today, together. So in this one life that I get, I choose to spend it only with you, and I would do it 1,000,000 times over. You are the reason I know I'm capable of love. I love you, my wife.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Ben and Eloise, I would like to welcome you all to the Oak Barn at Oak Frame Farm. You have all been invited here today to celebrate with Ben and Eloise, to witness their marriage and the promises that they will make to one another. So the promises that you are about to exchange serve as a declaration of the love that you have for each other. It is not just the words that you will speak today which will unite you, but the inner sense of love and devotion that you feel within your hearts. And the time has now come for you to make your marriage vows to each other in front of all of us here. And this is a very special moment, because it is as you say these words to each other, you will actually become husband and wife.
I, Benjamin John Anderton, take thee, Eloise Sophia Godin, to be my wedded wife.
I, Eloise Sophia Godin, take thee, Benjamin John Anderton, to be my wedded husband.
So Ben and Eloise, you have given your marriage vows and promises to each other in front of everyone here, and you have joined your lives together. And I'm absolutely delighted to announce that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations.
Hold